At Avila University, your future begins at the moment opportunity meets possibility. Here we go beyond academics, fostering personal development within a diverse and inclusive community. At Avila, we find your passions and guide you towards a future full of possibilities. Our campus provides spaces for every passion, from performing arts at Gopper Theater to digital media production in our green screen studio classroom. Learning becomes a real-world experience, whether in the lab or out in the field. Avila's connection to Kansas City opens doors to career opportunities, internships, and job placement. We ensure that your education extends beyond the classroom and into the professional world. Guided by the values of the Sisters of St. Joseph, service is at the heart of Avila. Here at Avila, we celebrate diversity. Our global community brings together people from all walks of life. With 98% of Avila students receiving scholarships, we ensure education is within reach for everyone. Avila also offers flexible online and hybrid programs for students balancing all of life's responsibilities, giving you the flexibility to succeed no matter your path. Avila education is more than academics. It's the moments that bring us together both on and off the court. At Avila University, possibility knows no boundaries because education knows no limit. Avila University, education without limits.